So this is a Halloween cat tutorial I should have been had out for you guys. First I'm starting off with my Black Radiance foundation, and then I'm going in with this concealer. This concealer is a few shades lighter than my actual skin tone, but I wanted to make sure it was lighter because you want this look to just really stand out. You need your face to be really highlighted and contoured with this cat look. Excuse me because I'm sick, guys, so I sound super congested and disgusting. But I wanted to do a voiceover on this video for you guys. So as you can see, I'm just using this concealer and I'm applying it all over my face. Then you just want to take your beauty blender and you want to make sure you blend everything out effortlessly. Then I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour palette. And you want to make sure you really go in with your contour because you want your face to be extra sleek and chiseled. Like this is a cat, so we need our cheekbones and everything popping. Like we need everything to be sharp. Like with cats, their bone structure is more prominent, so we need that highlight and contour on fleek. Then I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and then I'm setting all of my concealed areas. After that, I'm actually going to be doing my eyes. I don't know what happened to my eye clip, but I just used a brown for a transition color and went in with a black, blended that out really good. I put a nude on my lid and put a concealer on it, and I just went in with a cat liner, a wing liner at the end. And right now I'm just going in with the glitter, my elf glitter and my gold J Cat glitter. Oh, my throat is killing me, guys. But now I'm going in with my concealer again because you want this look to be like popping. You guys will see at the end, like the more concealer, the merrier with this Halloween look. And I'm just going to be setting that again and blending it out. You always want to make sure that you set your concealed areas with a setting powder. It's time to highlight. I'm going to be using the Artist Couture Illuminati highlighter and just highlighting my face. Then I'm taking this elf black liquid liner and I'm drawing on my nose, and you just want to draw the outline first, and then you want to go in and fill your nose in really good and take your time because you don't want this liquid liner to get anywhere else because it can get really messy really fast. Then I decided to go in with my top lip with a black lipstick. And I suggest that you use a matte lipstick. I didn't have a matte. All I had was this hard candy black lipstick, and it's like shimmery and annoying. But then I went on my bottom lip and used a pink, like nudie gloss, because I wanted that like cute pink lip. And it's more like cat looking. And then I just went in with my glitter glue and my J Cat glitter, the gold glitter, and applied that to my lips. And that's pretty much the end of the tutorial, guys. I'm sorry I sound so terrible. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.